everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full face of high-end products. Stuff that I've gotten from Sephora, or maybe high-end products that I've gotten from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, or just little products here and there that I received. I wanted to see how much a full face would be. Like, add up all the products and see at the end how much a full face of high-end products would be. I'm not bragging whatsoever. I've bought all this stuff myself, or it's been gifted to me by my parents or my friends, but I just wanted to do this to see how much money would be on my face. I'm just going to be putting on makeup like any normal day. I'm going to be showing you how much it is, and then at the end with the full face on, I'm going to add up all the products and I will reveal how much is on my face. So if you think this is kind of interesting and you like makeup, you like Sephora, you like any type of makeup, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button below the video and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And let's get into this full face high-end makeup.
probably think doesn't really cost a lot. Added it all up, $664. You're probably thinking, holy fucking shit. Yeah, I swore I'd set the whole thing. I did not get some of the products for the full actual price. I got some of these products from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and they were very lower in the price range that I found out that they were. Maybe I'll do a video of using the makeup products I use every day and add that up and see how it is. I don't know. I just like making lists and figuring things out, and I just thought creating a video of all my expensive high-end makeup, putting it on my face and seeing how much this whole face costs. 10 of those products I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. The rest of them I got at Sephora with my own money, or money as a gift, or someone gifted it to me. If you would like to see more videos like this, like a makeup sort of challenge but not really, comment down below and tell me what you want to see and I will definitely do that for you. Yes, I am a makeup addict. I love makeup, but sometimes you gotta go for the lower price items and sometimes you gotta go for drugstore. Like right now I'm on a budget and I go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls in the drugstore, and if I have money from a gift or a birthday or a holiday, whatever, I will go and treat myself. So if you liked this video and thought it was really interesting, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button below the video and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I have a few good videos coming up and a few good things happening with my little brand, Caitlyn Shea MUA. So yeah, again, not bragging, just wanted to tell you it's on my face. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.